Fatty liver disease. It's a silent epidemic, often showing no symptoms in its early stages. But silently, fat infiltrates the liver, impairing its vital functions. The liver, you see, is your body's master detoxifier, responsible for filtering toxins and processing nutrients. When overloaded with fat, the liver struggles to keep up. This can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even more serious conditions like cirrhosis or liver failure. The good news? Fatty liver disease is often reversible with the right lifestyle changes. One crucial step is adopting a liver-friendly diet, which means being mindful of certain fruits, especially if you have a fatty liver. While many fruits are packed with vitamins and antioxidants, some are high in a type of sugar called fructose, which can exacerbate fatty liver disease. So, let's delve into the world of fruit and uncover why one particular sweet treat should be approached with caution if you're aiming to reverse fatty liver disease. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. In today's world, we're constantly bombarded with sugary treats. But sugar isn't just lurking in candy bars and sodas. Fruits, while naturally sweet and often considered healthy, also contain sugar, primarily in the form of fructose. Now, fructose in moderation isn't inherently bad. However, when we consume large amounts of fructose, our liver gets overloaded. Unlike glucose, which our body can use for energy, fructose is processed almost entirely by the liver. Excess fructose gets converted into fat, which can build up in the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease. This is particularly concerning for those already struggling with this condition. So, while enjoying a variety of fruits is generally healthy, it's crucial to be mindful of portion sizes and choose lower fructose options. But there's one fruit that stands out as particularly high in fructose and should be avoided altogether if you have a fatty liver dates. Let's explore why. Dates, those chewy, caramel-like fruits, are often touted for their natural sweetness and energy-boosting properties. They're packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, making them a seemingly healthy snack. However, there's a catch, especially for those with fatty liver disease. Dates are incredibly high in fructose. In fact, they contain one of the highest concentrations of fructose among all fruits. While this concentrated sweetness might seem appealing, it spells trouble for a liver already struggling to process sugar. Consuming dates, even in small amounts, can contribute to further fat accumulation in the liver, hindering your recovery. Remember, the goal is to reduce your liver's workload and give it a chance to heal. So, while dates might seem like a healthy treat, they're best avoided if you have a fatty liver. Fortunately, there are plenty of other delicious and nutritious alternatives to satisfy your sweet tooth. Let's talk about blood sugar for a moment. When you eat foods high in sugar, your blood sugar levels spike. This spike triggers your pancreas to release insulin, a hormone that helps shuttle sugar from your bloodstream into your cells for energy. However, when you consume large amounts of sugar, especially fructose, your liver gets overloaded and insulin resistance can develop. This means your cells become less responsive to insulin signals, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and further stressing your liver. Dates, being exceptionally high in fructose, can contribute to this vicious cycle of blood sugar spikes, insulin resistance, and liver strain. For those with fatty liver disease, managing blood sugar levels is crucial for supporting liver health and preventing further damage. So, by avoiding dates and opting for lower sugar alternatives, you can help stabilize your blood sugar, reduce your liver's workload, and support its healing process. Section 5. Nourishing your liver, embracing a low-fructose lifestyle. Now that we've established why dates are best avoided if you have a fatty liver, let's explore some delicious and nutritious alternatives to satisfy your sweet tooth. Remember, a low-fructose lifestyle doesn't mean deprivation. It's about making smart choices that support your liver's health. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are excellent options. They're relatively low in fructose and packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your liver from damage. Lemons and limes are also great choices. These tart citrus fruits are naturally low in fructose and can add a refreshing twist to your water or meals. Avocados, while technically a fruit, are very low in fructose and rich in healthy fats, which can actually support liver function. So, embrace a rainbow of low-fructose fruits and enjoy their sweetness in moderation. Your liver will thank you for it. Section 6. Beyond dates. Other fruits to enjoy in moderation. While dates are off the menu, there are plenty of other delicious fruits you can enjoy in moderation as part of a liver-friendly diet. The key is to choose fruits that are lower in fructose and balance them with other healthy foods. Berries, as mentioned earlier, are a great choice. They're low in fructose and packed with antioxidants. Other lower fructose fruits include kiwi, grapefruit, and cantaloupe. Remember, moderation is key. Even lower fructose fruits can contribute to sugar overload if consumed in excess. Listen to your body and enjoy fruits as part of a balanced, nutritious diet. Section 7. Choosing liver-loving foods. Vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Now that we've covered the fruit front, let's delve into other liver-loving foods that should be staples in your diet. Vegetables, especially leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens, are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support liver detoxification and reduce inflammation. Healthy fats are crucial for liver health too. Olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds provide beneficial fatty acids that can help improve liver function and reduce fat accumulation. Don't shy away from protein. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils provide essential amino acids that support liver repair and regeneration. By incorporating a variety of these liver-loving foods into your diet, you'll provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support optimal liver function. Section 8. The power of prevention. Simple steps for a healthy liver. Taking care of your liver doesn't have to be complicated. Simple lifestyle changes can make a world of difference. Maintain a healthy weight through regular exercise and a balanced diet. Limit alcohol consumption, as alcohol is a major contributor to liver damage. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps your liver flush out toxins and function efficiently. Be mindful of medications and supplements. Always consult with your doctor before taking any new medications or supplements, as some can potentially harm your liver. By incorporating these simple yet powerful habits into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing fatty liver disease and support your liver's long-term health. Section 9. Listening to your liver. Recognizing the warning signs. While fatty liver disease often progresses silently in its early stages, your body might give you subtle clues that something's amiss. Pay attention to these warning signs. Unexplained fatigue or weakness, even after a good night's sleep, can be a sign that your liver is struggling to keep up. Loss of appetite or feeling full quickly after eating, especially if accompanied by nausea or vomiting, can also indicate liver distress. Yellowing of the skin or eyes, while a more advanced symptom, is a clear indication that your liver is not functioning properly. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to consult with your doctor promptly for proper diagnosis and treatment. Section 10. Seeking professional guidance, your path to liver health. Remember, this information is not intended to replace professional medical advice. If you're concerned about your liver health or have been diagnosed with fatty liver disease, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. They can assess your individual needs, recommend appropriate lifestyle modifications, and monitor your progress. Your liver plays a vital role in your overall health and well-being. By making informed choices and prioritizing your liver's health, you can significantly reduce your risk of complications and enjoy a long, healthy life. Take charge of your liver health today.